Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to put a player on IR in Yahoo Fantasy Football. So of course you have your app open and we're currently under football and you have your different teams right here. So let's say we're going ahead to select a team, and here under team you're currently under team, then you have matchup, players and league at the top as different tabs, but you want to stay here because this is where you'll be able to actually put a player in IR. But here's the catch. IR is dependent on two things. One, if the commissioner has actually set up IR, or if the player has an IR status. Now for our team in this league, the commissioner didn't set an IR slot. Also, we don't have a team member that is eligible to be placed in IR. So what about you? If you do have a player in IR and you want to place that player in the IR slot, here's the principle to follow. Now right here you can see players which are starters. You can see starters here and you can see the lot of them. And here you can see bench. If your league has IR, you will see IR as another segment underneath the bench options or just among the bench options. So in order to put a player in IR, it's as simple as going to the player. Let's say we have RB Jacobs here at the top. We're going to tap on RB Jacobs, but not on his name. We're going to tap on his position. You can see here's at RB. We're going to tap on RB. So here we have Jacobs and we're going to select a new position. We're going to swap him with B. Robinson Jr. We're going to tap on B. Robinson Jr. And you can see B. Robinson Jr. has been moved to RB. And here you can see B. Robinson Jr. And when we scroll down to the bench, you can see bench. The first person is J. Jacobs. So if you have IR set up for your league by your commissioner, you will see the option for IR and you can follow the same steps that we swapped Jacobs to the bench. You could do this if you have IR or if it's activated and the player is eligible to be placed in IR. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.